Hi all, welcome back to the channel Commerce with Chaitanya. In our previous class, we have successfully completed income and expenditure account format. Okay, today in this class, I am going to solve one problem, which is the fourth problem in your textbook. So this is the fourth problem in your textbook. Kamareddy Youth Club gives you their receipt and payment account and their information and requests you to prepare their income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019. This NPO is a youth club and this is the receipt payment account. Okay, out of this we are going to prepare income and expenditure account. So here is the receipt and payment. So this side balance is given and subscriptions, so we don't take balances. Okay, and subscription is given, donations received for mineral water, specific purpose is given. So we don't write in a income and expenditure account because only revenue receipts and revenue payments will show in income and expenditure account. It is just like a profit and loss account, and current year transactions only will post. Sale of old furniture, interest on investment, these are the receipts. And coming to payment side, salary is 20,000, fixed deposit 1 lakh, which is the asset we need to show in a balance sheet. Purchase of furniture is also asset, purchase of share is also asset. Stationery and printing, general expenses, these are the recurring, okay, revenue expenses need to take in a income and expenditure account. So this balance we don't take, okay, any balances. Coming to the adjustments, outstanding subscriptions on 31st March 2019 1500. Outstanding means need to receive, okay, subscriptions on receipt side. So need to receive means you need to add, and subscriptions received in advance. So in advance we are receiving means this is 2019, so in 2020 we are receiving, okay, 2020 amount we received in 2019, so deduct it from subscriptions. Value of old furniture sold 45,000, and here sale of furniture, so actual value of the furniture is 45,000, so we sold it for 42, which is less than this. Okay, we sold it for loss, 3,000 loss. That loss is showed on expenditure side. So this is the problem. So take a screenshot. Okay, I am going to solve this problem. So this is the format of income and expenditure account. Expenditure, okay, I wrote a few points here. So debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Clearly here mentioned that all incomes on credit side, all expenses on debit side. So only current year transactions we are going to consider, and revenue expenses incomes only we are going to consider. Okay, and no capital expenses. Okay, capital expenses comes will show in a balance sheet, and here if we gain profit we called it as a surplus, and if it is a loss we called it as a deficit. So these are the key points you need to remember while preparing income and expenditure account. So let us start with the first transaction. Okay, first we'll start the expenditure side. So salaries, this is the to side and this is a buy side. So salaries, first we'll start with the salaries. What is the amount of salaries is 20,000. Salary is a expenditure. Okay, in youth club they are paying salaries. Next, fixed deposit is a asset. We don't take. Purchase of furniture is also asset. Okay, purchase of shares also asset, investment, which we need to show in a balance sheet. So stationery and printing. Okay, I'm writing in a short form. So 20,000. Okay, there is no adjustment. So simply write full amount 20,000. Next, general expenses. General expenses also one kind of expenditure. General expenses that you need to show in a expenditure side. Amount is 6,000. Okay, amount is 6,000. So still any adjustment is there? Okay, no. So coming to receipt side. Okay, simply Receipt side will write, okay, opposite sides anamata. Receipt side income, payment debit side. So cross the transactions, okay, don't get confused. Okay, in receipt and payment account we'll write debit side receipts. In income and expenditure, debit side expenditure. According to the rule we are writing. Okay, so coming to income side, subscriptions. Subscription is a receipt. So subscription, there is an adjustment with the subscription. So write 70,000, and adjustment is outstanding subscription on 31st March 2019 1500. So add outstanding. So outstanding on 31st March means current year. So we post only current year transactions. Okay, current year revenue incomes. So amount is 1500. So simply add outstanding subscriptions for this year. So 71,500. There is one more adjustment. Subscriptions received in advance on 31st March 2019 500. So received in advance. Advance means 2020 amount we received in 2019. So we post only current year transactions. So simply deduct. Okay, received in advance 500. So 71,000 write. Okay, 71,000 write in a outer column. Okay, next donations received for mineral water. So donations are specific purpose. Okay, donations given for mineral water. So this will show in a balance sheet. This is a capital in nature. Sale of old furniture is 42,000. So book value of furniture is 45 and we sold it for 42,000. Means this is a book value and this is a sale value. Book value is more than the sale value, so 3,000 is a loss. Okay, actually you need to sold it for 45,000 or more than 45,000, but you sold it for less than that. So 3,000 is a loss. Loss will show on a expenditure side, or debit all expenses and losses. So this side, okay, loss on sale of furniture. Loss on sale of furniture 3,000. Okay, now three adjustments are over. One more okay, transaction is there in receipt side. Interest on investments. So this is a income, revenue income. Okay, this is a recurring revenue. So we'll post in a income side 10,200. Okay, so in income and expenditure account only take revenue expenses, revenue incomes, recurring expenses and recurring incomes. Okay, we don't take capitals, capital revenue, capital incomes. And is there anything left? Let me check. No. Okay, simply, okay, I'll close this account. So which side is highest amount for 2020? 40, 46, 49. This side 81, 200. So highest amount write both sides. Okay, 81, 200. This is the income amount. So deduct 49,000. So 81, 200 minus 49,000. So we are deducting, okay, income. From income we are deducting expenditure. So 0, 0, 2, 7, 11. 30. Okay, 32,200. So this 32,200 is the surplus. Surplus means migulu. Okay, shall I rub this? Okay, write it on debit side to surplus. 32,200 is the surplus amount means income is more than the expenditure. Okay, this is the income and expenditure account. So it is very easy. While preparing income and expenditure account, simply you need to remember these key points. Okay, current year transactions only we are going to consider, and revenue expenses, revenue incomes only will take into account. Okay, no capital expenditure, no no capital expenditure, no capital incomes. So that will show in a balance sheet. So this is we don't consider. Okay, only revenue expenses and revenue incomes, and profit we call as a surplus, and loss deficit. If you remember these key points, it is very easy to solve income and expenditure account. And my humble request to you, please share my videos to your friends and students and in your groups. So definitely it will help you in your exams. Definitely my videos will help you in exams. So thanks for watching my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.